How to get My AI on Snapchat. Make sure that your Snapchat is up to date, and if it is, let's go ahead and open your Snapchat account. Go to Chats in the lower part of your screen, and My AI should appear on the upper portion of your screen. Simply click that and then click Accept. Here we can see that the AI is greeting you. And if you want to see its profile, just click My AI on the top. And here is the profile of your AI. You can go ahead and message it to check how it works. But if you still don't have it, let's go ahead and check it on your settings. Let's go to your profile by clicking the button on the upper left corner of your screen. Then click Settings on the upper right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to find Support and then select I Need Help. You will be redirected to this page and just simply click My AI. Here you can see a lot of inquiries that you can ask, but for now, let's go with how do I access My AI on Snapchat. Here you can see that My AI and other new features of it are rolling out slowly and may not be available. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.